Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia, guys. Wow, wow, woo, woo. I'm the Ric Flair of Crypto coming to you live again from Asia, guys. And we got our co-host Stinky in the house. We've got smelling good in the house, and I've got my lucky crypto lucky cat. So that's going to bring in more XRP, going to bring in more Dogecoin price, going to bring everything to the freaking moon, guys. I'm happy. It's Sunday here in Asia. I got my cup of Joe out there, and all I ask is that you go down there, smishity smash the like buttons like crazy, and show some freaking love. And we're going to be talking about, it looks like Paul Raoul just said something amazing about XRP. Don't forget, we got on the May 19th confirmed ETF happening as well for XRP, so that's pretty good. We got some really good bullish setup for Dogecoin. Also some good Bitcoin news, and one mysterious whale is still loading up on Bitcoin XRP. Does he know something? Does he absolutely know something, guys? So we're going to jump into that and much more out there, and a little bit of Debbie Downer news from the UK and tax. Everybody hates tax, guys. Tax and lawyers, right? Guys, go down there, comment. Once again, none of this is financial advice. Go back and watch all my other videos like a madman out there. So what's going on right now? We can see here that right now the total market cap is at 3.32 trillion, so pretty good out there, up 1.91%. So not too shabby. We're seeing the total fear and greed for crypto is 66. We're only 25 out of 100 in altcoin season, so we're not an altcoin season. But I think this altcoin season we're gonna rip, we're gonna roar like crazy, guys. And Stinky is out of there, and this is Stinky. This smell good. Stinky smell good. So whenever you see a smell good on the channel, you know things are going up. So I'm gonna put Stinky over there behind us, and Stinky can stay up there, and Stinky's probably gonna fall off the ledge. So Stinky's out there, and we got Smelling Good, who's our co-host for this lucky video. And things are gonna, now I'm gonna put my lucky crypto cat right here, guys. Lucky crypto cat right there. Get some. Hopefully you guys can see. I'll put him over here so you guys can see him. Lucky crypto cat, and so hopefully he's just gonna bring in the luck. I can see him. So overall, things are looking pretty good. Bitcoin's up almost 2%. Nice. Ethereum is up almost 3%. XRP up 3.4%. That's $2.40. Wow. Woo. Remember, on May 19th, we also have the announcement regarding SEC and XRP case. So hopefully that's finalized. We've also got ETF launch as well on the 19th. So pretty good. Paul Raoul. Also, BitMEX said something about Ripple as well. We're going to jump into that. It's wonderful, guys. Wonderful. Doge Watchers up 6% right now, 22.54. Hell yeah for the Doge. I love it. So let's see what the XRP is doing on the chart right now. So XRP is looking pretty good. We did hit a low today here in Asia of 230. We're up like 10 cents. That's 3.45%. So that's looking pretty good, guys. I'm happy about that. I'm freaking happy about that. Now, don't forget, we got CME Group to launch XRP Futures ETF on May 19th, guys. So tomorrow in the U.S. time, if you're watching, it's still Saturday in the U.S., but it's Sunday night here in Vietnamville. It's around about 9 o'clock, but it looks like we're going to get the CME Group to launch XRP Futures on the 19th, so hopefully that will pump up the price, guys. I think we'll see some pumpage. Now, this kind of sucks, right? UK to force crypto platforms to report user data or face huge fines. Okay, so let me just break this. Let me just break this whole turd of announcement down for you. Let me just get to it. I'll get to it. Yeah, it's a real turdsky out there. Okay, so this is it. UK regulations mandate reporting all crypto transactions by 2026. Firms must report sender and recipient names, addresses, tax IDs, full trade details, token type, quantity GBP value, and timestamp. Non-compliance could incur fines up to £300. Now, I kind of don't get it, right? Because the UK, we read some news that the UK wants to be like the crypto haven of Europe and all this kind of stuff. So all I got to say to the UK government when it comes to this tax regulation is you stink and this sucks. You know, like what the heck? You know, next they're gonna say you have to send a DNA sample, blood sample, like urine sample and poop sample. Like, come on. You know, what the heck? So luckily I got more than one passport, so that's pretty good. So I'm not going to be using my UK passport anymore to KYC on any exchanges because this law is el stupido, el dumco, and all I got to say is a big hell no to this. So if you guys agree that this is a big hell no to this freaking stupid tax regulation in UK, comment and support the OG and saying hell no, this is bull beep. Okay, it's F bull E beep. Okay, I don't want to say too many bad words because you know what's going to happen, right? The YouTube algorithm is going to clamp down on my channel like a mother beep out there beep 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 beep. So it's funny, it's crazy, it's wacky. Hey, we're seeing a Dogecoin up right now, 6.39%. Pretty good. I'm loving that. Looks like also we're seeing Dogecoin on-chain activity hit 6-month high. Okay, and we could see with more activity, we could absolutely see more and more and more price peaks. So Dogecoin native addresses spiked to a 6-month high, reflecting peak retail engagement. So retail might be coming back into the market. On-chain metrics show transacted coin acquisitions cost and realized profits nearing February levels, hinting at a potential distribution. Right now, Doge is trading about 226, which is correct. We got key resistance at 30, right, boys and girls? And support at 20. Failure to flip could trigger a retest of 14. No, that's not going to happen, okay? Technical indicators, MACD bullish RSI suggest consolidation breakout above 30 cents. And I think it's going to happen, guys. I think it's going to happen. Profits rise, optimism returns. So that is pretty good. We're seeing that the volume outpaces utility. That is good. Dogecoin UST stops at key support as momentum weakens. We're going to get up there, guys. We're absolutely going to get up there. If you take a look at if we giddy on up and take a look at the Doge chart right now, we're doing pretty good. We're up like 6%. I love it. You love it. I'm loving it, guys. It's a good time to be alive. What's going on with Bitcoin? Bitcoin is above the resistance level right here of 104 and change. So we're just above that. That is pretty good. It looks like whales are buying Bitcoin like never before. And we're seeing at least 240,000 BTC accumulated by whales. I'm telling you, institutions, remember, whales aren't individuals unless you're like Elon Musk or some Bill Gates or somebody like that. But overall, institutions are buying up like crazy. And just to confirm that, we have some other interesting news that just came out. Let me just rewind that. Is that billionaire and Pantera Cappuccino just said the U.S. will sell gold and buy 600 billion of Bitcoin soon. If that freaking happens, that's going to pump Bitcoin, XRP, and everything to the freaking moon. Let's listen to what he has to say.
The U.S. has 11 million years of workers' wages buried in a stone pyramid in Kentucky in gold. That's obviously very antiquated. That's what the pharaohs did 40 centuries ago. I think that'll be transferred into crypto, Bitcoin, over the next few years.
That's positive. That's freaking positive. Also looks like Coinbase says Bitcoin ETF inflows will explode soon when advisors can recommend them. It's coming, guys. So right now, don't forget, advisors are not recommending it, but when they can,
thing to remember about these ETF inflows, not just the surge we've seen recently, but since the beginning, because it's been an absolutely phenomenally performing ETF. And this is a very important point that's overlooked. This is being done with the asset managers not allowing their salespeople, their financial advisors, to recommend it. So that's extraordinary. That's like a shoe salesman not being able to recommend Nike, right? So that's going to change at some point. And I'll sort of leave it to your viewers to determine what happens when that thundering herd of brokers can actually pick up the phone and recommend this ETF.
It's coming.
So there's still a thundering herd of brokers. Thing to remember about these ETF inflows.
That's going to come. And when advisors can start recommending Bitcoin, then retail is going to flow a lot of money into these ETFs. Another person that's flowing a lot of money into ETFs is Michael Saylor, just announced to buy more Bitcoin tomorrow. Here we freaking go, guys. Wow, 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 wow. XRP is looking pretty good, guys. Very positive out there. 240, and we're above the 235 resistance level. Remember, we peaked down below that, and this is holding strong, but we still have this support level, not resistance, and we still got some strong resistance at 259, 260. We need to giddy on up, okay? We need to giddy on up, and I think it's going to happen. A lot of good news is coming for XRP. Remember, mark your calendars, Monday, May 19th, XRP futures are coming in. Bang! Booyah, baby. If you take a look at what's going on with the liquidations 24 hours, it's pretty even. 62 for long, 97 for shorts. Watch out, market makers will probably take some liquidity on Wednesday, your time. So if the markets are green on Tuesday, they will do whatever the opposite is, okay? Also, looks like BitMEX just posted this. Keep your eyes peeled. We have some news that definitely going to have a ripple effect on the market. So are they hinting at something big with Ripple? Let's find out. Okay, this is the big news. Justin Paul Raoul, that XRP chart is something to behold. That's going to another big leg higher at some point. This is what Paul Raoul says. What's your 2025 price projection? Whoever did this can't spell price. It should be P, not O. Hey, check your keyboard for XRP. Comment below. Okay, let's listen. This is about 59 seconds. This is what Paul Raoul says, okay? And this is his prediction. Let me pump up the volume. Here we go. This is OSF and Paul Raoul.
Yeah, I know you guys mentioned it last week. Is that XRP chart is something to behold?
Yeah.
It really is. I mean, none of us have really been involved in XRP, but that chart is something to behold. It's like that's going to another big leg higher at some point.
Yeah.
And that obviously helps the Bitcoin dominance chart. The other one, which I think is the best chart in the world, is I don't know if I've got it on this one. Is Doge Bitcoin?
Yep.
I've got the Doge chart, but Doge Bitcoin looks like it's going to continue.
Yep.
And Doge Bitcoin would suggest that it's going to outperform Bitcoin again, in which case it'll have been the hardest asset in the world.
Yeah.
Which is the funniest outcome. But Doge itself, like, put this...
That looks like a full sort of breakout mode, doesn't it? This chart here.
Yeah, if I go to the monthly chart, I mean, it kind of can't be better than this chart. This one. Yeah, I know you guys mentioned it last week.
Okay, there you go. Paul Raoul himself is saying something big is going to happen to Doge and XRP. It's good, guys. Guys, don't forget, go check out BTC down there. My link is down. Freaking out. Do it. $10. Sign up. Get it. Free. Okay. If you KYC, you get another third. So that's $40 free money. What are you waiting for? What are you freaking waiting? Go down there, out there. Remember, I don't get anything. If you trade, I get a little bit of commission on the trading fees. That's it. It doesn't cost you anything. And we're giving free freaking money out there on BTC. Get it. Sign up. I appreciate it. Links down below. Looks like this 40x Bitcoin whale just increased his long position to 390 million. He definitely knows something. So right now you can see that he's taking long positions on XRP. Huge long positions right now. He's got around about he's lost like $2 million, right, out there. But he's using $1.9 million worth of leverage out there. Position value is 38 million. BTC 390 million. Okay, so his realized profit right now is 2.9%. That's $283,000 out there. So that is amazing out there. He's also long on the Pepster as well. He's doing 10x on Peppy, 20x on XRP. Wow, this guy definitely knows something, guys. So, swim with the whales, guys. Swim with the freaking whales. Now, Dogecoin 2-month Bollinger Band with BBW is fascinating. Big moves are coming, guys. Trust me, big freaking moves are coming for Dogecoin. Paul Raoul said it. I'm saying it. It's coming, guys. Also, look at this. This from Trader Tardigrade, my bro. Dogecoin Launchpad developed. Skyrocket imminent. It's going to move, guys. We're going to get a ton of movement soon. Guys, go follow me here. I appreciate it. All the top news is there. If you want to tune in to the Paul Raoul interview, go down and check it out, guys. So that's kind of all I got. Don't forget to smash the like, subscribe, share this video. Don't forget to show some love with a super chat. out there. And guys, say thank you, Stinky. Thank you. A good smell. Stinky, winky, and smelling good in the house, guys. It's the OG. I'll see you in the freaking next one. Peace out.